Looking for that perfect mix of style and functionality? Naomi Home presents the Roxy side table. This elegant side table is more than just a pretty face. Its timeless wood finish complements any interior. Its bottom shelf provides space for your home decor items, with a unique flip-top feature that offers hidden storage for all your essentials, like remotes, cables, magazines, you name it. This table brings big functionality in a compact form. This side table comes in various colors such as cherry, black, gray, and many more. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.